Okay guys, we are live. Time is 12:16 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 12th day of Christmas, the final one, guys. We're in the clubhouse, so we're going to go 3 times. So let me copy over the list. Okay. 12:17 a.m. Eastern, first random. 12:17 a.m. Eastern, second random. We've gone 2 times. Time, 12:17 a.m. Eastern, third and final random, guys. Good luck. Trevor Patterson, I don't think I have your information, so if you could PM me, I'll get the package out to you after Christmas. So that's Trevor Patterson after 3 times. 12:17 p.m. a.m. Eastern. Let me actually, hold a second here. Let me copy that over. Done. Time, 12:18 a.m. Eastern. Merry Christmas, guys. That was the final packet. Hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas Eve. Well, it's Christmas Day now, 12:18 a.m. Eastern in Toronto area. So again, Merry Christmas, guys. Auctions are still going. Tomorrow's auctions are already up, 24 hours. Again, like I said, Merry Christmas, and